Welcome everyone back, and today we're gonna do some jerk, but we're gonna roast some breadfruit first. These are the breadfruit. Yeah, we got two lovely breadfruit. Sit in the middle like that. That's scores it. Put it down like that. Okay, we're gonna cut it like this. Cut out the stem. Just like that. Put it down like that. Potato as well. This potato bought in Brixton, as well as the breadfruit. So we're gonna cover it down and let it soak a little bit first. Let's check out the breadfruit and the potato. You can see the breadfruit looking very nice, soft here, and the potato looking good as well. We're gonna put some white flesh potato on it as well. Alright, I'm gonna remove these potatoes. Let's see, put them down there. Leave these one here. Well, we're gonna get these corn, sweet corn. We're gonna harvest these sweet corn as well. We're gonna roast them so we make them a bit harder. Now we're gonna roast these sweet corn. Okay, our breadfruit's finished. I'm just leaving it, but I want to put the corns in here. Steam for a while, and then we take it from there. Let's check out the sweet corn. Yep, sweet corn looking good. Let's turn in them. Oh man, they're hot. So this is what we do with the sweet corn. You can see they're looking good. They're opening, and they're coming out very nice. These potatoes are ready, so I'm just gonna put them with this one down here. Those potatoes are ready. We got the corn, sweet corn here. Let them stay. Okay, everyone, guess what? I am gonna eat one of these corn. This one. You can see it's ready. I'm gonna have this sweet corn. Looking good, isn't it? This is it. And that corn back one. Nice and sweet. Put them inside of this. Just put them inside of this. Just for the moment. Okay, see? They're ready. Nice chicken. Or chicken to jerk now. On the grill. Okay, so this is our chicken. Start to jerk. Reduce the fire underneath it. Okay. Cover it up. How is the corn?
It's nice, unusual, good one. On the grill, outside, roast, tastes very nice. Different from when it go in the oven.
Okay, this is our jerk chicken. Smelling nice. Sizzling down. This is our jerk chicken. Looking good. Look at that. Nice and golden brown.
So I made it taster. Me want to taste that too. Yeah, you want taste
So
that?
this is
You want taste too? The taste?
I'm gonna put on some beer on it. Sprinkle a little bit of beer. Red stripe. Okay. This is the breadfruit we roasted. Some favorite person peeling the breadfruit. A
famous person.
Look at that. Okay, this set is ready. And we're gonna take them out, remove them.
Should I put the fine?
Mhm. So these are the first set. Okay, nice. Okay. And this is the breadfruit, sweet
And the
potato.
potato. There you go.
Tastes sweet and nice. Sweet potato sweet. It's nice. It's lovely.